Suppose mozzarella and tomato sauce are complements and milk is an input in the production of mozzarella. What happens if there's an increase in the price of cow milk? Well, as we'll see, it's actually going to affect both the markets for mozzarella and also the market for tomato sauce. Okay, so here's the logic. So we start over here. We have an increase in the price of milk. Okay, well, since the price of milk is increasing and milk is an input for mozzarella, that means that it's going to be more expensive to produce mozzarella. What happens when mozzarella is more expensive to produce? Well, that means the marginal cost is going up. And if the marginal cost is going up, then the supply curve is shifting to the left, right? Since at any given quantity, this new supply curve is higher up than the old supply curve. That means that represents costs increasing, right? Marginal cost going up, okay? Now, if we have a downward sloping demand curve, then the equilibrium situation initially might have looked something like this. And with a downward sloping demand curve, this means that if supply shifts to the left, then we're necessarily going to have an increase in the price of mozzarella, right? So we would expect in equilibrium, once the equilibrium shifts, that the price of mozzarella would increase once all is said and done, right? So the price of mozzarella will increase as a result of the price of milk going up, right? Sort of makes sense, right? Now, the price of mozzarella increasing, since mozzarella and tomato sauce are complements, well, that means that this price of mozzarella increasing is going to affect the market for tomato sauce. And since they're complements and the price of mozzarella is going up, that means that the demand for tomato sauce is going to decrease, right? So we have our original demand curve here and the new demand curve here once the price of the price of mozzarella increases. So demand falls. So when we have an upward sloping supply curve, this means that the equilibrium will shift such that the price of tomato sauce will fall, right? So you can see there's quite a few linkages going on here between three markets. We have the price of milk going up, causing the supply for mozzarella to shift to the left because mozzarella is becoming more expensive to produce. And so the price of mozzarella goes up in equilibrium, price of mozzarella going up, that's going to cause demand for tomato sauce to fall. And then of course in equilibrium, the price of tomato sauce would fall as well. All right, thank you very much for watching.